just a little impromptu one really, because I was down, where am I? I am at Te Muri Bay, which is kind of just north of Auckland. About an hour or so drive from central Auckland, north-ish. It's quite an interesting like little beach or bay, because the only way to get to it actually is through like the estuary. So the only way is to actually walk in from another beach called Sullivans. Yeah, so just a little one, nothing too strenuous. It's really just an impromptu one, because I brought the camera down here actually with some friends. They used to come here kind of every summer and actually trek in all their camping equipment, and there's the campsite just over here that they used to camp in, you know, for weeks at a time. I think I've been down here maybe once or twice and stayed with them. Yeah, just a really calm, peaceful, you know, chilled bay, you know, and quite secluded, because obviously you can't get to it by road, which makes it quite unusual, quite interesting, and so in a way kind of isolated, you know, from the general public and peoples. Yeah, as you can kind of see, I don't know, there's like maybe 2 groups of people here, and maybe you see 3 or 4 tents. You know, they would have all kind of backpacked in across the estuary down there. So yeah, nice and secluded, you know, chilled. Not many people here. Not a bad place to be. Unfortunately, it's a bit cloudy, but actually the water's, you know, nice and calm. It's actually quite warm as well. Yeah, and the water's clear as well. You know, you're in kind of, you know, you're in water up to your chest and you can see your feet. Pretty clear, like, yeah, quite amazing. Nice and warm, the water. Until you get out a bit further, obviously, like the deeper it gets, the colder it gets. I do remember, I'm not sure if it's the case anymore, because you know, obviously that was, I guess, 15 odd years ago. There was no sort of cell phone reception down here, you know, so you were really isolated from the outside world. Yeah, the only way to kind of get signal was actually to go up this hill, like up here somewhere, to make the phone call. Oh, nice one, guys. That's pretty much it. It's just a tiny little one. Why not, eh? Yeah, that's it. Cheers. Now back on the other side, having crossed over the estuary again, back to kind of the car park, you know, back to civilization basically. So that's civilization. Yeah, so this is sort of Sullivans Bay. Right now I'm trying to dodge the sheep poop, because yeah, obviously we've just walked through kind of some little farms with loads of sheep in there. And they've left us little presents to try and dodge. Cool. Nice one, guys. So yeah, as you can see, Sullivans Bay, Mahurangi Regional Park. Yeah, that's it. Just a nice short and sweet one for today. Been putting up quite a few long ones, so thought I'd just give you a little short one. Alright, cool, nice one guys. You know, do the thing, subscribe, thumbs up, likey, comment below, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers!